Hello, my name's Mel and I'm the Sustainability Librarian at Hobsons Bay Libraries, and I want to introduce you to my chickens today. So we've got three girls here. The one on your right is Luna, the white chook. The one in the middle is Ginny, the orange one. And the dark brown one there right in your front is Hermione. Now you might be able to figure out just by the names of my chooks what my favourite book is. Do you think you might know what it is? Now chickens, just like all living things, have three really important requirements for them to stay nice and healthy and safe. Do you think you might know what they are? All living things need food, water and shelter. Now the shelter you might be able to see behind us, this is their coop. This is where they live at night time. They sleep in there and we lock them up to keep them safe. But you'll also notice that I'm planting some fruit trees, and these are going to give them shade in summer as well and give them a little bit of protection as well. You'll also see there's some big white cylinders in that coop, and that's where they get their water. And they also have some bowls in here that I fill up with fresh water every day as well. So they've got lots of access to fresh, clean water. But now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what they get for food. Do you think they eat the same thing you eat for breakfast? Probably not. So I've got a few different things we feed them here. And this over here is actually their main feeder. And in here, we give them some pellets. This is like their fruit and vegetables. This is all the good, healthy stuff that's going to make them nice and strong, nice and healthy. And we feed them in here. And I'm going to demonstrate so you see how they use this. Hopefully. Imagine, what's in there? So you can see that the chooks stand on the pedal, and that opens the lid, and then they can get to the food inside. Now I've tempted them in a little bit today with this stuff, which is kind of like their lollies. There's lots of seeds in here, some wheat, some sunflower seed, corn, lots of different things. So this is a bit of their daily treat. They don't get this all the time. Their pellets are their main food that we give them. But something else that they get as a bit of a treat are these wriggly things. This is a really special treat for our chooks, and these are called mealworms. And the girls get very excited when they get the mealworms. And then something else I do so that they lay nice, strong eggs is I grind up their eggs. And then I can give it back to them. And that makes sure that they lay really strong eggs that aren't going to break. Would you like to see some of the eggs that our girls lay? So you can see our girls lay different colour eggs. Luna, you can't eat them. So Luna lays our beautiful blue, greeny colour eggs. And Hermione lays our very white eggs. And then Ginny lays those really dark brown eggs. That's because they're all different types of chooks, which means they lay different colour eggs. Thank you for joining me today and meeting my girls. See you next time. Bye.
Bernard letting the chookies out for their evening, afternoon, late afternoon treat. He pats them first and then he runs. And here they come. They're all running after him.
Get out. Get out.
There goes the coffee.
Waste. Damn it, you chooks. So greedy.
You'd think they'd never been fed. Morley's gone back to my boot. Chook, 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 chook. Ow! The other thing they really like to do was they really like pecking my shoes. And if you look really closely, you'll see their little tongues poking out. Morty, do it a bit slower. I don't know what she's getting there, but somehow I think it must be just the salt.